Agay. Laki mo pa naman. Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing another haul for you guys. I have in here skincare products and nail polishes. Before I continue on with the haul, I just want you to know guys that the lipstick that I have on right now is the Lime Crime replica lipstick that I got from Fast Find on Facebook. I will leave her links below. Marami nagtatanong kung chocolate scented ba talaga yung akin. Yung na-receive ko you guys is really like chocolate talaga yung amoy niya. If you're a big fan of chocolate, you will like it. I personally am not. And some of the shades are like in your face chocolate scent. Hindi ko siya masyadong gusto. Hindi ko alam kung bakit iba-iba yung amoy kasi yung iba tsaka daw yung amoy na nakuha nilang Velveteen. So, I suggest you buy from Fast Find if gusto niyo yung chocolate na amoy. So, yeah, I just want to address that. So, yeah, let's go ahead and start with the haul. I'm gonna start with the Snow Skin Whitening products that I received. I have a lotion in here and then the Skin Whitening Cream. You guys, the packaging of this is legit. Nung pagka-receive ko na to, hindi ko ma-figure out kung paano siya i-open kasi it looks really complicated and hindi pa ako nakatagpo ng ganito ng klase ng packaging. So, I was having a hard time to open it. But yeah, I figured it out and yung packaging niya ganito. Sobrang social, you guys. Look at this. So, i-open mo siya sa baba. Tapos, meron siyang ganitong ganap. And then, meron siyang ganyang open na ganap. Wait. Cooperate you. Meron siyang ganyang open na ganap. O, diba? Ang social niya. Sobrang social. I really, really like that. It took me a long time to figure it out. But when I figured it out, I was like, dang, you're cool. So this one is the Skin Whitening Lotion. I have been using this for more than a week now. I actually will do a separate review and demo on the skin lotion and the skin whitening cream because I just feel the need to like let you know guys what's up with these products right here. So this one is 799 pesos. So 800 pesos for a lotion. First impression on this, like hindi ko pa siya ginamit. I was really impressed with the packaging kasi sobrang social niya. And then the next one is the Skin Whitening Cream. Ganon din ang ganap ng packaging niya. Napaka-social. As in, gustong-gusto ko siya. Hindi ko nga tinapon yung packaging eh. Well, kasi gagawin ko tong haul na to. But after this haul, hindi ko pa rin siya itatapon kasi napaka-social. Ano ba yan? Kasi nga napaka-social yung packaging. O, diba? Meron din siyang ganyang ganap sa kanya. It's basically the same packaging. Yun nga lang ito maliit. And obviously, magkaibang products silang dalawa. Skin Whitening Cream, I also have been using this for more than a week now. Magkasabay ko silang ginamit dalawa eh. And again, I will do a review. Now, this one is expensive, you guys. This is 1,499 pesos. So, 1,500 for a Skin Whitening Cream. Again, I will let you guys know if this is worth the price and whatnot. And since nasa skincare na tayo, I will show you guys the stuff that I got from Iwhite Korea. Wala tayong giveaway sa video na to kasi I just posted my giveaway. So, they sent me one bottle of the whitening pack. Ito yung peel-off mask na last. And then, they also sent me my favorite Aqua Moisturizer Whitening Vita. So, that's that. And then, more in here, the sachets of the whitening pack peel-off mask. So, basically, yung sachet nito. And, yeah. So, I actually feature this in my skincare routine video. And yes, you guys, I will have my updated skincare routine video up really, really soon. Siguro sa Friday or Saturday. Basta, it will be up this week. Meron akong 5 dito at saka 5 dito. Actually, itong isang pack na to kasali sa giveaway ko. So, if hindi pa kayo nakasali sa giveaway ko, what are you waiting for? I will leave the link of the giveaway video below para makasali na kayo ng bonggang-bongga. Look at my nails. I really, really like this color. This is the Aeropostale. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-pronounce eh. Basta, and match siya guys ng bonggang-bongga. As in, sa lahat ng nagamit kong matte nail polish, ito yung pinaka-matte. And sobrang bilis niya mag-dry. Also, really opaque tong nail polishes na to. This one is in the shade Always Greener. How much ba tong ito? Wait. So, ito is 155 each. Available for wholesale, minimum of 15 pieces. Kung may plano kayong magbenta ng Aero na nail polishes, makakabili kayo ng 110 each if you buy 15 pieces. This is, by the way, from WholesaleSupplier on Facebook. I will leave her links below. So, ito match siya, itong dalawang to, you guys. Sobrang shiny na tong nail polishes na to. The only thing with this, just this particular shade, this one is in the shade 'Tis the Season. With this particular particular shade, kailangan ko maglagay ng top coat. Kasi na-notice ko, after a day, nag-chip na yung tips ng nails ko. So, niretouch ko siya and then nilagyan ko siya ng top coat. Tapos, okay na siya. Pero this shade lang naman yung ganun. Itong shade na to, this one is in the shade Donner. It's a really nice deep violet color na parang black na siya. Really shiny. Hindi ako naglagay ng top coat kasi nga super shiny nitong mga to. Okay na okay ang staying power nitong nail polish na to. She also sent me this nail file from Bath & Body Works. This one is 80 pesos each pero may wholesale din sila. If you buy 15 pieces, you can get this for 60 pesos each. I actually have been using this. Binali ko lang siya dito kasi i-haul ko siya ng bonggang-bongga. Gustong-gusto ko tong nail file na to. Iniba ko nga yung shape ng nails ko eh. Diba parang may pagka-square, round-ish yung shape ng nails ko noon. Ngayon parang ginawa ko siyang parang square na. Kasi bet na bet ko yung nail file. As in, file niya talaga ng bongga. So dito sa side na to, medyo may pagka-core siya. Tapos dito napaka-fine. Perfect kasi nawala or nasira o nabasa. Nabasa ko yung malaking nail file ko. So kinailangan ko talaga. So thank you so much Vain Wholesale Supplier. Salamat din sa Snow and also sa Iwhite of course. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's basically it for this haul. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like it. Subscribe if you're not yet already. We have videos every single day. Kapag hindi nagloko yung internet, every single day tayo. Pero may mga times na ayaw lang talaga niya mag-cooperate. Kaya minsan walang video. But yeah, that's it. I need to stop. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do not forget, be good. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! This is, by the way, from WholesaleSupplier.com. Okay, here we go again. Ano ba? Ang sobrang nagustuhan ko sa mga nail polishes